Hello fashionistas, if you're stopping by for the very first time, you have a warm welcome. My name is Saudi from Hilo Fashion House. I produce content that focuses on fashion, style, inspiration for every woman who is looking after to look her best. Are you ready to slay your fashion style without emptying your wallet? April is Financial Literacy Month, and we all need to be aware of our own finances. Having a fashion budget helps you control your own finances. It helps you from buying things on an impulse. It also empowers you, your own financial stability. So, my fashionistas, my queenettes, are you guys ready to discuss fashion budgeting 101? Because I don't know for you guys, I am ready. If not for my financial budgeting that I have in place, I would have been in a big mess in terms of paying my bills, making a good financial decision. So, let me share with you guys the tips on how I stay on budget while I'm producing this fabulous content for you guys. So let's speak and discuss financial budgeting 101. Fashion budgeting is not about sacrificing your style. It is about making smart choices to empower you to express yourself. 1. Let's take control of your fashion budgeting by setting a realistic limit, whether it's weekly, monthly, or yearly. Having a fashion budget keeps your spending in check. The second is thrifting. Thrifting is not just help you find treasure, but it also helps you to find pieces for a fraction of a price. And you are also giving pre-loved items another second chance. This also helps you check your finances in place. Let's talk about the third one. The third is DIY. DIY is also important in terms of fashion budget. It's not just helps you revamp your pieces that are old in your closet. For example, when I DIY a bow, did you guys remember this look? My 2023 holiday lookbook. I turned that tulle skirt to a bow. I incorporate that bow with a dress. Rather than me going out there and buy a bow or an outfit that has a bow, having a fashion budget helps me check in place in terms of what I purchase, in terms of how I buy things. There are things that I need to buy new, I'll buy them new. So this helped me to set my goals on what I should buy and what not to buy. So moving on to the next one, which is window shopping. It's a great thing. When you window shop, it's not just informed you what's in trend. It's also inspired you not just know what's in trend, but without spending a dime. If you know me, you know I love window shopping. My family, my friends know me. I don't have to go to the store and swipe a card. Window shopping, it's a thing for me. It helps me know and find out what is really trending, what I need, and what I don't. So, window shopping, it's another great tool when you have a fashion budget. The fifth one, especially when you have a fashion budget, is to invest wisely. What do I mean by invest wisely? Using quality over quantity, buying timeless pieces. You don't have to have 100 pairs of shoes or thousands or 100 pairs of jeans or clothes. Having few key pieces that are quality, it helps elevate your wardrobe for years to come. For example, Instead of buying fast fashion all the time, try to incorporate it with classic silhouettes. You don't have to buy a designer piece, but pieces that have a very quality that will, the lifelong of those pieces will be years to come. It's another way that will help you stay in check with your fashion budget. Remember, fashion should be fun, not draining your wallet. Please share your favorite fashion budgeting tip on the comments below and let's slay this fashion savings together. Please comment, share, and like this video. If you like it more, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Please remember to stay blessed and be fabulous because we all are fabulous. See you guys on my next video. Cha cha. Love you.